Awning window installation in Frederick is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. Our Frederick window installation services ensure that your home benefits from the latest in window technology, providing both style and functionality. With custom awning windows Frederick, you can enhance your home's aesthetic while improving energy efficiency. Awning windows Frederick solutions further elevate performance and design. For those in need of window replacement services, our team offers comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom window solutions, our Frederick home window upgrades are designed to meet your specific requirements. Our residential window experts in Frederick are dedicated to providing top-notch service and quality products. Window installation services in Frederick are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our team specializes in double-glazed windows and window frame replacement, ensuring that your windows remain in optimal condition. With Frederick window glass replacement and awning windows Frederick options, you can trust that your home will be both secure and energy efficient. Window maintenance services in Frederick are crucial for preserving the integrity of your windows. Our Frederick window sealing solutions and window insulation services help keep your home comfortable year-round. With our window design consultation, you can explore various window style options to find the perfect fit for your home. For those seeking window hardware replacement in Frederick, our experts provide reliable and efficient services. We offer Frederick window style options that cater to a variety of tastes and preferences. Our window measurement Frederick services ensure a perfect fit every time, while our Frederick window fitting experts guarantee a seamless installation process. Window durability solutions in Frederick are designed to withstand the test of time. Our Frederick window noise reduction and window ventilation solutions enhance your home's comfort and functionality. With Frederick window security upgrades, you can rest assured that your home is protected against potential threats. Window weatherproofing in Frederick is essential for safeguarding your home against the elements. Our Frederick window aesthetic enhancement services add value and curb appeal to your property. With a window installation warranty Frederick, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Awning window replacement Frederick is a popular choice for those looking to upgrade their home's windows. Our energy-efficient awning windows Frederick provide superior insulation and noise reduction. With custom awning windows Frederick, you can achieve the perfect balance of style and performance. Frederick window frame replacement is a critical component of maintaining your home's structural integrity. Our residential window experts Frederick are skilled in all aspects of window maintenance and installation. With Frederick window glass replacement, you can enjoy clear, unobstructed views and improved energy efficiency. Window maintenance Frederick is key to extending the life of your windows. Our Frederick window sealing solutions and window insulation Frederick services help keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. With Frederick window design consultation, you can explore a wide range of window style options to suit your home's unique character. Looking for top-notch awning window installation in Frederick? Our Frederick window installation services specialize in energy-efficient awning windows Frederick, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. With custom awning windows Frederick, you can enhance your home's aesthetic while improving functionality. Our residential window experts Frederick are here to provide the best solutions for your home window upgrades. Upgrade your home with our window replacement services in Frederick. We offer a wide range of window style options, including double-glazed awning windows Frederick, to suit your needs. Our Frederick window frame replacement services ensure durability and longevity, while our window glass replacement Frederick enhances clarity and insulation. Trust our window fitting experts Frederick for precise and efficient installations. Enhance your home's energy efficiency with our window insulation services in Frederick. Our window sealing solutions Frederick prevent drafts and improve comfort, while our window weatherproofing Frederick protects against the elements. For added peace of mind, consider our window security upgrades Frederick, designed to keep your home safe and secure. Our window durability solutions Frederick ensure long-lasting performance. Our window maintenance services Frederick keep your windows in top condition. From window installation services to window hardware replacement Frederick, we handle it all. Our window noise reduction solutions Frederick create a quieter indoor environment, while our window ventilation solutions Frederick improve air circulation. Schedule a Frederick window design consultation to explore custom window solutions tailored to your needs. Experience the benefits of energy-efficient windows with our Frederick home window upgrades. Our window insulation Frederick and window noise reduction Frederick services enhance comfort and tranquility. With our window aesthetic enhancement Frederick, you can elevate your home's curb appeal. Our window installation warranty Frederick provides assurance and peace of mind for your investment. For precise measurements and perfect fit, rely on our window measurement services Frederick. Our Frederick window fitting experts ensure seamless installations, while our window durability Frederick solutions guarantee lasting quality. Explore our Frederick window style options to find the perfect match for your home. Our window design consultation Frederick helps you make informed decisions for your window upgrades. Trust our residential window experts Frederick for comprehensive window maintenance Frederick. Our window sealing solutions Frederick and window insulation services Frederick enhance energy efficiency and comfort. With our window hardware replacement Frederick, you can update and improve your window's functionality. Our window weatherproofing Frederick protects your home from harsh weather conditions. Choose our Frederick window installation services for reliable and efficient solutions. Our custom awning windows Frederick and double-glazed awning windows Frederick offer superior performance and style. With our Frederick window frame replacement and window glass replacement Frederick, you can enjoy improved durability and clarity. Our window installation warranty Frederick ensures your satisfaction and peace of mind. With awning windows Frederick solutions you can trust.